Hello traders, and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Go Long EA for MT5, an expert advisor developed by BM Trading GmbH and currently listed on the MQL5 Marketplace. Starting here on the product page, we can see that this is an MT5 expert advisor currently available for purchase at 97 US dollars. There are also rental options available, including a 3-month rental for 47 US dollars and a 1-year rental for 67 US dollars. The current version is 1.6, which was updated on May 14th, 2026. Looking through the description, the developer explains that the EA is based on a very simple concept rather than a highly complex trading algorithm. The idea revolves around the long-term growth tendency of certain financial markets, particularly products such as stock and index CFDs. Now, according to the developer, simply holding these products for extended periods can become expensive because of overnight costs and rollover charges. The solution implemented here is an intraday approach where the EA opens and closes positions within the same day at predefined times, avoiding those overnight holding costs. Moving into the settings section, there are quite a few customization options available. One setting that stands out is the wait for new high option. All right. When enabled, the EA waits for a new daily high before sending an order. When disabled, it can place the trade immediately at the configured start time. The EA also provides several trading volume calculation methods. Traders can use a fixed lot size, a managed lot size based on account balance, a percentage based risk model, or a fixed monetary risk model. This flexibility allows users to adapt position sizing to their own risk preferences and account size. For trade management, the EA includes configurable take profit, stop loss, and trailing stop systems. These values can be calculated either as percentages of price movement or as point-based distances. There is also support for break-even functionality, allowing positions to secure profits once predefined conditions are met. All right. Time-based controls are another important part of the setup. Users can define both the trading start time and the exact time when open positions should be closed. Now, since the strategy is designed around intraday trading, these settings play a significant role in how the EA operates. Now, let us move into the historical backtesting section. As we review the backtest, it is important to remember that we are looking at historical testing performance rather than future expectations. All right. Historical analysis helps us understand how the EA behaved under past market conditions, but it doesn't guarantee future outcomes. All right. So let us start by looking at the provided information here. I can see this deposit and equity curve. It looks pretty interesting. There are times of a more steady growth, and then there was a sort of a sharp growth here and a significant drawdown, before a continuation to the upside. And then here I can see, based on this provided report, initial deposit was $100,000, total net profit 155,647.6, and total trades taken were 2,929, out of which 1,578 were profitable, giving us a 53.88% win rate. And here the largest profit was 9,347.75, largest loss 7,975.68, average profit 825.14, and the average loss 848.57. So that means that the risk to reward ratio is bad, even though it's not far away from 1:1, but the average loss is bigger than the average profit. Okay, now let's head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how this expert advice or the Go Long EA performed on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame over the past 5.5 months or so. I was testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. And we are using the random delays and the every tick modeling, of course. So looking at the result here, the initial deposit was $100,000, but the total net profit in this case was negative 14,722. So there was a decline of over 14% in the balance. The total trades taken were 119, out of which 62 were profitable. So that gave us a 52.1% win rate. In this case, the largest profit was 4,943.19, and the largest loss was 5,726.91. Average profit was 1,308.09, and the average loss was 1,681.13. That means that the risk to reward ratio here again was bad. All right. But then looking at the trading activity, the overall behavior appears consistent with the strategy described by the developer. The EA focuses on opening positions during its designated trading window and closing them according to the predefined time settings, which aligns with the goal of avoiding overnight holding costs. Now, when examining the historical trades on the chart, you can also observe how the configured stop loss, take profit, break even, and trailing stop mechanisms may influence trade management depending on the selected settings. All right, so since many of these parameters are fully customizable, results can vary significantly from one configuration to another. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing different symbols, time periods, and risk configurations can provide a much broader view of its historical behavior. So, looking at the final results, remember that historical backtest results are influenced by numerous factors, including risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, commissions, slippage, and overall market conditions. Okay, optimization choices made by the user can also have a substantial impact on performance. So overall, the Go Long EA for MT5 presents a straightforward concept focused on intraday participation in markets that the developer believes benefit from long-term economic growth while avoiding overnight holding costs through automated position management. As always, make sure to perform your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.